If you spend more than 5 minutes on our YouTube, you see these people. The tutorial machine, you know them. The title is always how to do eyes, how to do hands, how to do hair. The intro is always same. Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to, and let's start with the specific tutorial. Every single upload is a tutorial, no vlog, no personal content, just beautician. They cover every body part, eyes, nose, hand, hair, anything. And once they're done, they restart the cycle, like how to do eyes 2026 update and how to do a new version. The upload schedule is insane, like multiple videos per week, every week for a year, and honestly we love them because the reason so many of us who cannot afford art school still learn how to do for free, so thank you. The silent companion. The only time, sometimes never. The video title is always something like do with me, no talking, lofi music. And that's exactly what you get. Just them drawing for hours with lofi beats in the background. And the got this, you discover some beautiful lofi track to them, some you end up adding to your own playlist. Are they shy? Maybe. Do we care? No, because the video are actually really relaxing and therapeutic. And here everything, because they are way fewer cut, that you actually see the full process, the mistake, the correction, the messy middle part that everyone usually skip. You just watch and somehow you become on thing you will not notice in a face-based tutorial. Put on the video, grab your tablet and just draw with them. It's like having a quiet friend who will never judge you. The Yapper, these are the masterpieces of our YouTube. They always have something to say with their drawing, always. The videos are actually really on technique, like sometimes you forget they are even drawing. Because they are telling you about that time they got scammed on a commission or a random story about the cat or the entire philosophy. And no anecdote, personal drama, truth, or literally anything. There is extrovert story, you can feel the energy through the skin. And honestly, we connect with them fast because they have this cool, engaging vibe, like you are just hanging out with a friend who happen to be really good at art. You came for the art and somehow you stay for the yapping. The speedrunner. They are not that different for a silent companion. It's hard to tell if they are newcomer or a veteran. They always drop speed paint, no talking, just speed paint and lofi music. But here the difference, you don't see their hand, you don't see them drawing, you just get the speed paint, the final time lapse. Like what I'm doing right now actually. The video has everything you need in the corner, like duration info, software they use, and maybe some brush. Lofi music playing, pre-speed pen, they don't have time for anything else I guess. Just here we are, enjoy with speed pen and bye. The brush go. These are the brush lord, the brush master. Can they draw without the custom brush? Yes, will they? Absolutely not. They also have a new brush to show you always. And honestly, with the amount of comment asking for what brush do you use, that makes sense. They have a million brush saved on the app, maybe more. A brush for hair, a brush for eyes, a brush for clouds, a brush for skin, a brush for literally anything. And every video, there are a brush showcase. Sometimes every video is a brush showcase. They spend 20 minutes explaining why this one brush changed the entire art style. And you know what? You download it and you use it once and then you go back to your default home brush anyway. The Fix Your Art coach. They made the entire brand to tell you what's wrong with your art. Like send me your art and I will do it, to check my subscriber drawing, why your anatomy is broken and how to fix it. Sometimes they are brutally honest and sometimes they are sweet about it. Either way, you're learning because they don't just point out the problem, they show you the solution side by side, before and after. They'll take someone's sketch and completely transform it, better proportion, better lighting, better composition, and suddenly you're like, oh, that's what I've been doing for 3 years. The comment section is always full of people begging them to check their art, like, please do my next or can you fix my OC. Some of them even do live stream where they go through thousands of submissions. It's like art therapy but public. The Procreate Purist. iPad Pro, Apple Pencil, Procreate, that's the holy trinity. You will never, never see them use anything else. Photoshop, too complicated. Clip Studio Pens, done it. IbisPaint X, they don't know what you're talking about. They're like the opposite of IbisPaint gang, different software, same energy and similarity. The entire channel is Procreate tutorial, like top tips, Procreate hack, Procreate brush you need, how I made this entirely in Procreate. They know every gesture, every hidden feature, every update that dropped in the last 4 years. They're basically Procreate scientists at this point. They'll defend it in the comment like their life depend on it, and you know what, they are not wrong, they're just committed, fully committed. The algorithm chaser. This is the trend master, the trend god. I don't even know how they find trend this fast, but they're always on it. A movie drop tomorrow, they already posted a fanart yesterday. They are fast, insanely fast, because if you're not early, you're late. And late mean no view. They master the game, the hashtag, the upload timing, the thumbnail formula, the title structure, everything. The upload schedule is perfectly synced with whatever trending that week. TikTok trend, they're on it. Twitter drama, fanart ready, new gear release, they want at work. They know exactly when to post, they know exactly what people are searching for, they crack the code, and honestly they are smart, because while everyone else is wondering why they are not getting view, these guys are riding every wave straight to the top. So which one are you, tutorial machine or silent companion? Maybe you are the algorithm chaser already riding to the next wave, or maybe you are a mist, a yapper who also have a lot of push. Drop a comment, let me know, and bye.